Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to search chats and messages on WhatsApp desktop. First, open WhatsApp desktop on your computer. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the search box at the top. Click on the search box. Now type the name of a contact, a word, or a phrase that you want to find. WhatsApp will show you matching chats and messages in the search results. For example, if you're looking for a message from a specific person, type that person's name in the search box. You can then click on the chat you want to open. If you want to search for a specific message inside a chat, open that chat first. Next, click the search icon at the top of the chat window. Type the word or phrase you are looking for. WhatsApp will display the matching messages from that conversation. Click on any search result, and WhatsApp will take you directly to that message in the chat. This is useful when you want to quickly find an old message, a specific word, or some important information without scrolling through the entire conversation. You can also use the search option to find messages containing specific names, places, or other words. When you are finished searching, click the X button to close the search. You will then return to your normal WhatsApp chat view, and that's how you can search chats and messages on WhatsApp desktop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.